Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is June the 5th and I'm using my new PIP Trigger trading system. This system uses a couple of moving averages on the top. One of them is the Hull moving average. As you can see, you'll get an audio alert, pop-up box here, and it'll show either the trend has changed to down or up. Now the other alert here is for the arrows. The arrows are called Super Signal Indicator, and that indicator comes within the package called the Easy Trader. If you look right below this video, you'll see the 4 different packages and what is in each package. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. And once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, then I manually put this white arrow in. It's quite easy to do. You just click on this little tab, either up or down. On this pair it's down, so I just pop in an arrow. It's simple, easy to do, and it reminds me I want to be selling. As I mentioned, I take a look at the daily trade plan EA. This is it, running in real time, suggesting either bearish or bullish trades. And if it's white like this, it's neutral or not enough strength. So you must wait until it picks a direction, either up or down. Now the settings are preset for day trading, so there's a little bit more weight put on the 30 minutes and the 1 hour. And you can change it within the settings, whether you're a swing trader, at which point you'll be focusing on the 4 hours daily. And if you're a position trader like the banks, then you'll be putting more weight on the weekly or the monthly time frames. Keep in mind, on the monthly or in the weekly, you'll be using a much larger stop. Please keep in mind that you must have some kind of a daily trade plan, or you will fail at trading. Over 18 years, this is the best daily trade plan I came across. So now we can get into the trades that I've taken today. The pound New Zealand is the first one. Just left click, drag, and drop it up. And that's exactly where I got in, right where the super signal indicator is right here. Got a whole bunch of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a no-brainer. I would not trade any system without the super signal indicator. So if you have a system that is not too bad, if you get your hands on the super signal indicator and just put it on your system, and it will immediately make it a much better trading system. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the market on the 5-minute time frame. And of course you can trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. As I mentioned, it is by far the best indicator I ever came across. And I checked out more than 10,000 indicators, so I know what I'm talking about. So I took the trade right at this cursor, little cursor there, and I closed it out over here, just being happy. Now as a general rule, I just look at the totals down at the bottom, and when I know that I have 200 pips and or ticks, then I just close out the trades, as 200 pips and ticks is what I am looking for every day I'm trading, and I get it every day. So here we go. Looks like I locked in about 32 pips, and those 32 pips paid out $194. Moving on to the next trade, Pound Aussie. Here it is here. Wanted to be selling it. Matter of fact, I did 4 of them all together based on pound weakness, and in real time as it was going down. It was right at the bottom, the pound, and it was less than 20% on the meter here. And once it hits 20% or less, it becomes a bus driver, and that's what you need to grab a bunch of pips. So let's see where I got in at. Just drag and drop this up. Here we go. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with about 42 pips, and those 42 pips paid out $284. Moving on to the next trade I did, the EURCAD. Here we go. It's on the left side here. So on this EURCAD, I bought it. And of course, it did one more cycle. That's the way the market moves. And once I saw this pattern right in here, I knew it was going to go up. And let's see right here. That's 10 o'clock. There was some news at 10 o'clock this morning. You got to be aware of high impact news on the calendar. I use Forex Factory. So I took the trade at this cursor, and I just had to wait until it moved in the direction I knew it was going to go according to my daily trade plan. And I closed out the trade at this point, locking in about 43 pips. And those 43 pips paid out $319. Remember, you have to give the trades some room to move. Most new traders are trying to get away with a 10 pip stop, and then it hits their stop, either 10 or 20 pips, and then it goes in the direction that they thought it would go. Anyhow, that's your tip of the day. On the next trade here, the pound Swiss, as I mentioned earlier, I sold the pound pairs. Everything looking very good. Did qualify for a great way to trade. And I teach a great way to trade in the training videos. This is a perfect example of what the chart should look like. Sell signal here. Everything lined up perfectly for going short. So I took the trade here and I closed out the trade being happy. Looks like with 31 pips, and those 31 pips paid out $341. Moving on to the next pound trade, which was the pound yen. Sold it. Perfect example of what I call a great way to trade. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. There's your sell super signal, sell arrow here, right there. It's a no-brainer. Very easy decision to make. It's not complicated. And I close it out at this point being happy. Looks like with 77 pips, and those 77 pips paid out $559. Moving on to the next trade, gold. Now gold pays $10. And just to let you know, the futures, the indices, they move a lot more, they pay a lot more. And as you can see at the bottom, exactly what I just said. And it does pay $10 for each tick. And looking at the money, this should be $115. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. There's your buy signals here and here. And I made my trading decision on gold as I teach how and when to pull the trigger within the training videos. So as I mentioned, it should be 115. Let's give him, there it is. I managed to get it. 115.8 actually. But that's close enough. Let's just go with the 115. And that ended up paying out $1,158. So another great day of trading using my PIP Trigger. I added up all the pips and the ticks and I knew it was going to be well over 200. Grand total was 340 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,857. So if your system's not producing great results like my PIP Trigger, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you want to get some more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you will get my contact information along with the 4 different packages that I'm offering. So as I mentioned, right below the video, all you got to do is look right below. You'll see this button right here that says show more. All you got to do is click on it and then scroll down and you will get some more information. Right here is, if you click on this link right here, I made it super easy for you. We will have connection through Skype and through Skype screen sharing. I can answer your questions and show you the charts and give you some free tips. Now there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You must have all of these 4 things or you will fail at trading. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now if you continue to scroll down, you'll see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 each package. I recommend getting all 4 packages. Special offer, if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. Now in the first 2 packages, these 2 packages has the bulk of the training videos. There's 22 training videos here, and in this package is 20 training videos, and each video is up to 30 minutes long each. Now this package is PIP Trigger. It does not include the super signal indicator. It comes in the Easy Trader system, and this is a great system even by itself. And let's see, here's your daily trade plan, and the Easy Trader, they have 4 training videos each. And then of course if you're scrolling down, I go into more detail on everything that I teach within each package. How I trade live. Now I go into greater detail exactly how I trade live, starting with my daily trade plan expert advisor. So if you're still struggling, this is an excellent package to help you to succeed. And scrolling down, you see the last 2 packages. You can read everything here. Of course, if you have any questions, you can pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. And you can send me an email if you live a little bit too far. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And here's another link for my Skype connection. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.